Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to restore the health into your natural nails with this easy DIY manicure. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so to start, I'm going to show you everything that we'll need. You're going to use towels, nail clippers. You're going to need an orange stick, a nail file, a nail buffer, a nail brush, some cuticle remover, nail polish remover, your NBK cuticle oil, and you'll be using a hand cream, an exfoliant scrub, some cotton, and rose petals just to be extra. It's all about the ambiance. We're going to be using base coat and polish of your choice, whatever color you like, and top coat. And then you'll need a brush to do your cleanup. Okay guys, so I just soaked off my nails and now I'm ready to just restore the health back into them. We're going to start off by taking off any nail polish that might be left on your nail. I don't have any on, obviously. I just did a soak off, but if you do have one polish, you want to start by removing your polish. Next, we're going to clip down your nails. You want to do this before you soak because it's best to clip off while your nails is dry and they're nice and hard and they're nice and strong. Then you go ahead and file. When filing, you don't want to be going up and down. You don't want to be extra rough. Go in one direction. Take your time. File in one direction from one side to the other. I'm going for more of like a natural squabble kind of shape. So it's going to be like a natural round sort of shape, more on the square side. I'm keeping my sides really straight and I'm keeping the free edge pretty straight, but then I go in and take the edges off, and that's what gives it that squabble sort of shape. And once that's done, now you can begin to soak. Adding our rose petals because you know we're extra. This is meant to be a relaxing experience. Have fun with it. Once that's done, you want to pat them dry. And you can begin to work on your cuticles. So I am taking some cuticle remover. I'm applying just to the cuticle. So now I'm just going to go in with my orange stick and scrape away any excess cuticle, any dead skin that's on and around the nail. quick process to do a cleanup. No nipples required. You don't have to worry to go in with cuticle pushers, and you can just go ahead with your orange stick and some remover and get rid of that dead skin. Guys, anyone can do this. This is a simple at-home mani. Now I'm just going in with a wet piece of cotton and wiping off that excess cuticle remover. And now I'm going in with my D.I.Y exfoliant scrub. Guys, this is literally just olive oil, brown sugar, and white sugar. Nice exfoliant scrub. It's super moisturizing. Your hands are going to be glowing after you put this on. Now I'm taking my nail brush and I'm just scrubbing underneath, scrubbing on the nail. Now it's time to go in with our moisturizer. This is the body butter that you would get in your NBK nail kits. So you could go ahead and massage that right in. And you can literally see the glow. Our hands are nice and rejuvenated. Look at how healthy these nails are looking. I'm gonna go in with my buff and just buff off the shine after going in with those oils and creams. You don't want that to be on your nail when it's time to paint, so I'm just going in with the buff to dehydrate the nail bed. This step is crucial before putting polish on, because the polish doesn't respond well to oily nail beds. So now to take that dehydration a step further, I'm going in with the makeup sponge and some acetone. I use a makeup sponge versus cotton because I find that with the cotton it leaves little traces, like the cotton hairs. I hate that. So I'm gonna go in with the makeup sponge, the little trick that I picked up. So we're going in with our base coat. We'll put in a nice even layer. When applying it, we go side, side, and then blend in the middle. Don't forget to bevel. Now that our base coat is on, I'm going to go in with the color of choice. I'm going with white. Same technique. Side, side, and then blend down the middle. Once that's done, you want to let it dry, and then you can go ahead and go in with your second layer. Guys, the trick to a nice smooth application is having enough polish on your brush. You don't want it to be too saturated because you don't want to make a mess, but you want to have enough polish on your brush. That's what gets you that nice smooth application, and also not putting too much pressure as you're applying. I'm going to go in with nice feather strokes, be light-handed, use enough product, and you should get a nice smooth application. Don't forget to seal the edge. Now we're going to go in and do our cleanup. I always clean up before I do my top coat. If you're brushing the acetone, blot it out. You don't want it to be too saturated in acetone. And then make sure that you're wiping every time. It's another key part to doing a cleanup. You want to wipe your brush clean every time because you don't want to just spread the color. You know what I mean? You want to remove. Alright, nice and cleaned up. Now we can move on to the next step, applying our top coat. Gonna do the same method when applying the top coat. Down one side, down the other side, blend in the center, and then capping off our free edge to sealing and everything. Once you're done putting your top coat, you want to let your nails dry. Once they're completely dry, you can move on to the next step of applying your cuticle oil. go ahead and rub that right into your cuticles. There you have it. A flawless at-home manicure, bringing the salon right to your home. Look at that. Anyone can do it. That's it. Thanks for watching.